All right, y'all, let's take a look at this. That took a while. That took a while. So look at this here. We have a lot of foliage there. A lot of diseased, mildewed foliage. And, so anyway, this is what we have left. It's very, very skimpy looking now. Very full at first, a lot of foliage. But no point in having foliage that's gonna disease and make the whole entire plant sick. I need to go ahead and cut that one too, the one I'm looking at now, or the one we are looking at now. So anyway, let's look at this here. What I discovered here. We have a little baby zucchini right there. We got a few of them in there. 1, 2. I see at least 2 or 3, I guess. Little baby zucchini. Let me see, any over here? Not that I see any. Nah, not over there. So this is what the squash looking like now. So I missed one over here too, but I'll come back to it. All right, so that is first thing. The first thing is done. I got the zucchini and squash trimmed up. Let me see. Let me grab these last couple of leaves off this zucchini and squash, and then we'll move on to something else.